Hello friends, at last this is the truth. This is the real butterfly that sucks oranges and makes it causes a lot of oranges fruit drops every year, which causes the farmers to cry that they do not get money in every year. Many oranges are destroyed by this particular, but I have killed it with a pruning saw on top of the oranges tree. This butterfly was sucking during the daylight, and by chance I saw it and killed it. This is the tree. In this year I have pruned it, so I climb on this oranges plant, and then on top of the oranges stem I saw this butterfly and kill it on top of the plant from the exact orange piece. From there I killed it and I made it fall down on the ground, and this I show you. Okay, this is the butterfly. See. Okay, you believe it, it is a real one. So every year we have to control oranges damages from sucking from this particular type of butterfly. There are many butterflies. So this is the video I'm going to show, or so this is the another tree. Okay, I have already pruned it. See how it looks now. See, so from the next year it will be easier for me to climb and to pick oranges from this tree, and it may bear more fruits from this oranges plant. See there, I have thrown all the branches that I have cut or pruned. Small branches I have thrown a little far away, and will burn it after some days when it dries. So all these are the branches I have cut with the help of pruning saw. See, this is the another butterfly. This also sucks, not in daylight, in daytime. During evening it comes, or it goes on top of the oranges plants and sucks the oranges. See, and there's another one. So with the help of this I went there quietly, and I made this a little closed manner for you to see. See there, it sits on the grass. So these are the oranges. See all the damages or the rotten parts. It is a circular type. It punctures, and especially the female, it lay eggs on top inside the oranges. So small, big, according to the butterflies it sucks. So I made this video to make the oranges cultivators to know and how to control from these butterflies. If you could control from this every year, then some expenses that you have already made may recover it every year. At least some thousands of rupees you will get. So thanks for watching.